Today Canon are releasing two new RF lenses, a 70-200 f4 L IS USM and a 50mm f1.8 STM. The new 50mm is the RF's answer to the nifty 50. It's a small lens weighing just 160 grams and being just over 4 centimeters long. The price point isn't too hefty and the optics are built to support the quality expected from Canon's relatively new mount. The closest focusing distance is just 30 centimeters, and this is achieved in such a small body by using a new optical design. Although the lens isn't stabilised, it can achieve up to 7 stops of stabilisation depending on what RF mount body you're using. It does feature a control ring which is declicked, and there is a switch to set that ring between control and manual focus. The STM AF motor makes for quiet and quick operation, whilst a super spectra coating helps to create the best image quality possible. The new 70-200mm is very small again. It weighs 695 grams and is just under 12 centimeters long. Compared to the EF alternative, it's 32% smaller. It's the world's shortest and lightest 70-200 f4 lens. Now this is going to be stabilised up to 5 stops, however if you're sticking it on an R5 or an R6, that goes up to 7.5 stops of dual stabilisation. Inside are dual nano USM AF motors for silent and accurate focusing for stills or even video. Optically, we're told this will be a superior lens to the EF version, which is impressive because the EF version is a lovely lens. It will have a very circular bokeh, and thanks to an air sphere coating and 4 UD lenses, any distortion or flaring should be controlled. Unfortunately, we couldn't use either of these lenses due to them being very early non-working samples. However, we will get our hands on them soon, so make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any upcoming content.